Alright, so in this tutorial, I'm going to exactly show you how you can steal a Brainrot Discord server. So make sure you watch this video till the end to exactly know what to do. First up, what you need to do is just simply open up Roblox. And once you're inside Roblox, you just simply need to search up steal a Brainrot, like that. Once you've searched it up, it will just show the most famous one, and this is Steal a Brainrot. You just need to go over here, which has 1.1 million players and 87% likes. Let's go ahead and press on that, and right over here, what you need to do is just simply scroll down a bit until you see Discord picture over here. So you just need to press on this Discord picture or icon, whatever. Once you press on it, it will say leaving Roblox, but it will take you to its official website, and right over here it'll open the app. And here, as you can see, if I press accept, here you go. Now you've officially joined Steal a Brainrot Discord server, and now you have to follow the rules and you have to verify yourself. After that, you're done. So yeah, this is it. I hope this video actually helped you out. I'll see you soon.